Question number 50. Leena, Madan and Naresh were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in 2:2:3. Their balance sheet, there is no accumulated profit in liability side, but there is accumulated loss in asset side. Deferred advertisement expenditure rupees 1 lakh. What is the accounting treatment of deferred expenditure? What is the accounting treatment of accumulated loss?
Partners capital account debit
It is to be debited to all partners' capital in their all profit sharing ratio. Madan retires, second partner retires from the firm. Remaining partner decided to carry on the business, decided to revalue the assets and liabilities as follows. Land and building appreciated by 2,40,000. First we have to prepare revaluation account. Yes. Land and building appreciated by land and building 2,40,000. Next, machinery depreciated by 10%. To machinery, it's 10%, 50,000. 5 lakh, इसका 10%, 50,000. 50% stock investment taken by partner at book value. Partner takes over the investment, then entries Madan account debit to investment at their book value. Old customer Mohit, whose account was written was vetted, promised to pay 7,000 in settlement of school debt, 10,000. Promised, no entry and for the promised. अगर उसने प्रॉमिस किया तो उसकी कोई एंट्री नहीं. हाँ, अगर उसने पे कर दिया तो एंट्री कर दे. मीन्स नो एंट्री इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस स्टेटमेंट. PBD 5% on debtors. Debtors 4 lakh, it's 5% to PBD 20,000. Next, at market price which is 1 lakh less than the book value. What is the meaning of this line? Stock is to be increased or decreased?
decrease
Yeah?
decrease
Decreased. 1 लाख से कम करना है. Decreased to stock 1 lakh. Next, goodwill 5,60,000, new profit sharing ratio 3:2, and total capital is 32 lakh. Total 2,40,000, this is 1,70,000, remaining is 70,000 to profit. Anything which you want to ask regarding revaluation profit loss? हाँ भाई, कुछ पूछना क्या पहले? रेवल्यूशन प्रॉफिट लॉस?
no sir
No. Revaluation profit 70,000 ratio 2:2:3. 20,000, 20,000, 30,000. Partners are Leena, Madan, Naresh. Partners capital account. First, their capital by balance BD. Capital as given 12,50,000, 8 lakh, 10,50,000. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 5,60,000. First, we have to calculate retiring partner sharing goodwill value, and new ratio is given 3:2, then what is to be calculated?
Gaining ratio.
Gaining ratio.
Calculate the gaining ratio. 3 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 2 by 7, 3 by 7, LCM 35, yes, these are Lina and Naresh. Naresh has minus 1 by 35. What is the meaning of this minus 1 by 35?
Sacrificing partner.
He is
Sacrificing
He is
partner.
also
Sacrificing
sacrificing partner along with retiring partner. Retiring partner Madan, he is sacrificing, but N is also sacrificing partner. Then to Madan, to Naresh and Lina account debit. Total goodwill is 5,60,000. 5,60,000 into 11 by 35. 35 से 5,60,000 divided by 35